Hi, it's Caitlin for November's Tech Tip of the Month. This month I'm going to show you how to use the Keep Notes app in Google Apps. If you click on the 9 dots that open up your Google Apps in the top right hand corner in a tab, you can scroll down and find it right here. It says Keep. It's yellow with a white light bulb on it. And this is a good place to put any notes. So it's almost like keeping virtual post-it notes all in one place. I use this app a lot on my phone. I'm one of those people who likes to make checklists and then physically cross things off, and this app allows you to do that. I use this app a lot, especially for grocery lists. Um, Jotting down quick things while I'm out and about that I need to remind myself of. And something that's really good about this is that you can share these notes with others so that they can see them or they can collaborate on them. This is something that, like I said, I use a lot at home. So if I make a grocery list, but my husband might be the one going grocery shopping, I can easily open up one of the lists and add him as a collaborator so that he can see what we need. In order to create a note, it says take note, and then just click on it and you can start to type. So I can do a couple of things with this. I can put a reminder on it and set a time. I can again add a collaborator. I can change the color. So if you are someone who likes to color code things, that would be a good option. I can add images. I can archive. And then if I click on the 3 dots here, I can delete it, add a label, add a drawing, make a copy, show checkboxes, or copy to a Google Doc. So my favorite feature is make the checkboxes, and as you add things to your list and you complete them, you can either simply click on the box and it gets crossed off, it moves to a completed item list, or you can just simply delete it. If you have any questions about using Keep Notes, let me know. You can use this in the classroom, you can use this at home. But if you have any questions or concerns about using it, always reach out. Enjoy the rest of your day.